today's video, I will show you how you can easily download audio messages from Microsoft Teams. Audio messages on Teams are available only on the mobile devices, as I explained in this article, how to send voice messages using Microsoft Teams, but they can be heard in all clients and download if you are using the web version of Microsoft Teams. So without further ado, let's see how you can get your audio messages downloaded locally to your computer. The first step to do is to open the conversation where the audio message is located, and you must have the audio message visible on the screen as I do over here. Once you have this, press F12 to open the developer tools. Depending on the browser you are using, tools might look different, but here to do is click on the console to be able to execute code. The code you will run here is JavaScript code that will add an extra button to the message. If you are not familiar with code, don't worry, I have it pre-made for you to execute. All you have to do is copy the code from the article that I'm linking in the video description and paste it in here as I will do. Once the code is visible in the browser console, all you have to do is press enter, and immediately you will see that a new button is added next to the audio message. Now, if you click in the new button, the download will start immediately and you will be able to listen the audio message locally on your computer. This solution relies on the web version of Microsoft Teams, and if something changes on it, it might get broken. So if you are trying to execute this code specifically on Microsoft Teams and it is not working, let me know in the comment section and I will try to fix it ASAP so you can continue to download your audio message locally. Bye-bye.